All right, Robert, Michigan's Handyman, finally done. All the permits on the window. And here we go, all your fire restoration needs. All right, this is the kitchen. If you remember what it did look like, was wet, moldy, messy. All new windows, new trim, new drywall, new furnace, new AC, new bathroom, ceramic tile, brand new doors, brand new carpet, brand new electrical, brand new everything, brand new floor. Give us a call. We'd be happy to help you out when you have your next fire disaster. 248-506-4000. That about does it. Oh, left the light on. Show you the basement real quick. Turn this off. And we are done with the house. Come back and do the appliances when they arrive. Other than that, see, there's a new furnace, new electrical panel, new paint all the way around, and new tub. Robert, Michigan's Handyman, give us a call, 248-506-4000 for all your flood, fire, wind, and water restoration. Have a good day. Leave you at that.